say there was an engine waiting at the dock to take his passengers home. His name was Timothy. He was old but kind engine with 6 small wheels, but he was painted silver and had the number zeros on his side. All the passengers climbed aboard. And his driver called it. Full steam ahead, Timothy. Sure thing. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And he steamed off. Timothy steamed along the countryside. As they approached the first station, it happened. His driver called it, "Timothy, what are you doing?" Timothy didn't answer. He just kept on going. His face turned to a demon, and he said, "But his driver saw the cliff the most.